Hello everyone, I am Abhishek. Today we will start our new topic, which is exploded view and technical visualization. Okay, so first we will understand what is exploded assembly views. Okay, we will go to Chrome, and here you can see this assembly, and each component is separate. Uh, we can just use the animation to separate it, and that's it. It's called as the exploded assembly view. Okay, I have to understand. So now I will talk about how to give animation in Blender. Okay. General. So I will also talk about a little bit a render setting. Okay, so render EV. So mostly we will use EV and cycle. Workbench is more currently not in use. We don't use it that much. So in double double E, we just can like export a sample output. Just I mean I can say low quality video. We can export, but in cycle we can use advanced rendering. So if your device is comfortable with cycles, then I will prefer to use the cycles. Otherwise, come back to our EV. So make sure what is cycle. The more cycle you add, the more animation will be smooth, and it will be less grainy. Okay, so now I will talk about motion. Okay, so first I will set a keyframe by pressing K on keyboard. Okay, press K on keyboard. Okay, so here you see a different option, location and rotation. If you want to just move the object, then just select a location, but if you want to rotate, then use rotation. You can also use scale. So I can say scale change with respect to time, but I will just use the location. Okay, location. Second keyframe will be, first I will move the object. Okay, and then K and location. Here you can see the motion is applied. Sorry. Hmm. So here you can see how much smooth is the application. We will see also see how we can link a different animation in Blender in our next topic. So if you want end time colors, then you can also select end time here. Just want 50. Okay. Okay. I hope so you understand about animation. Now we will go to our next topic, which is the cut section. Okay. In design software we can use cut section normally easily, but then Blender it's little bit, bit complex. In this our session we also talk about camera setup. So with camera setup, just press 0 and arrange the object according to your desired requirement. If you want to just lock the camera view, then press N and go to camera view and camera to lock. This will just lock your camera view, and you then you can let me do it for you. Camera view lock, I say. Okay, 0. Here you can see. Okay, I have to understand. We will just and click on camera to you. Okay. Okay, so we'll cover our now cut section. First I will select the plane, add mesh and plane, just increase the scale, then change the rotation angle. Here I will click 90. Okay, now go to viewport display, which where is let me see. Here, here is viewport display, and here and click on shadow. We don't require it. For select the object and go to modifier. Also we have one option left, which is again go to visibility and click renders. Okay, then final option, sorry, final step, add modifier. Select, go to modifier, generate and boolean. Now so we will select the plane. Here you can see cut section is applied. Okay, I will understand. This is not plenty hard. It's almost simple, almost around like design software, but just you don't have to use single click here. You must have to perform small steps. Okay, so that's it for today. We will also cover link animation in our next video. Thank you.